Sa panahon na napakataas ng interest rate ng bangko, marami ang nag-wish na sana sa Pag-IBIG na lang nila pinasok ang kanilang housing loan. Well, most would wonder, pwede pa bang ilipat ang existing loan from their current bank to Pag-IBIG financing? Yes, pwede through refinancing. And I mentioned many times na before you refinance, you have to compute your numbers first. Estimate kung magkano ang magagastos mo and how much nga ba ang ibababa ng interest. So, I'll do my best to discuss and enumerate kung ano-ano yung gagastusin and ano yung proseso when you switch your loan from bank to Pag-IBIG financing. So, before we dive right in, please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. So, first thing that you have to know is eligible ka ba for refinancing? Siyempre, una sa lahat, you must be a Pag-IBIG fund member with 24 monthly contribution. Number 2, you're not more than 65 years old at the date of application and not more than 70 years old at maturity of the loan. And ang pinaka-importante, you have to have no missed payments for the past 12 months sa current loan mo sa bangko. So for the application, you have an option to do it online via e-services sa website ng Pag-IBIG, which I'll put the link below. But mas okay na pumunta ka sa main branch nila to submit your requirements. Para systematic tayo, I divided kung ano-ano yung kukunin mong requirements from your banks, from your employer, and from government agencies.
First, you have to download the housing loan application form from Pag-IBIG Fund's website. Then under the purpose of loan, check refinancing of an existing loan. Then fill out the necessary information.
First, ano ba yung requirements na kailangan mong kunin from the bank at isubmit sa Pag-IBIG? So you need to get your updated SOA or statement of account duly signed by any account officer of the bank. Then along with that are yung official receipts or valid proof of payment ng monthly amortization mo sa kanila. Pwede kang humingi na lang ng subsidiary ledger. So take note, you have to bring the original copy with the original sign. So hindi pwedeng photocopy lang. At hingin mo na rin sa bangko yung vicinity map or yung sketch ng property or kung meron ka pa nang galing sa developer. And syempre, hingin mo rin sa kanila yung copy of your title, whether it's TCT for housing lot or CCT for condominium. Next is yung requirement naman from your employer. If you're self-employed or OFW, so medyo madami ang requirements, so I'll just put the links down below kung ano-ano yung mga kailangan. So for today, I'll just discuss kung ano yung requirements for locally employed. So you have to request from your HR or from your office proof of income, CEC, Certificate of Employment and Compensation, and you have to ask for latest income tax return with attached BIR Form 2316. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng certified 1-month payslip, so kailangan sign ito ng HR manager with their contact number. Now, yung last mong pupuntahan ay government agencies. So first, you have to go to Registry of Deeds. So you need to get the certified true copy of your title. Then, after nun, kailangan pumunta sa munisipyo to request naman for certified true copy of your updated tax declaration and updated real estate tax receipt. So once you complete all the requirements, you can go directly na sa main branch ng Pag-IBIG. So before going to Pag-IBIG with your requirements, they will ask you already to bring money for the processing fee and appraisal fee, which is total ng 3,000 pesos. Then, kailangan mo din ng isang long folder, one brown envelope, at fastener. Basically, these are for your documents para organized. Expect also na may mahabang queue. And of course, check all the requirements para hindi ka pabalik-balik sa Pag-IBIG. Pagdating mo doon, just mention na magsasubmit ka ng requirements for refinancing. Then you will be given a queuing number, just like in banks. So pag turn mo na, Pag-IBIG officer will assess your documents. And pag okay naman siya, the Pag-IBIG officer will ask you to pay the processing fee and appraisal fee. Then, bibigyan ka ng acknowledgement receipt. So, after several days, around 5 to 7 days, i-appraise na yung property mo. Then, after siya ma-appraise, wait again for an email from Pag-IBIG. Dito mo malaman kung approve ka or disapprove. Depende ito sa appraised value ng Pag-IBIG. Another factor is gaano rin katagal ang property mo with the bank. So normally, habang tumatagal ang property, mas lumalaki ang value niya. So that's, of course, the principle of appreciation in real estate. So kung maaga kang magpapa-refinance, maaga ka pa sa loan term mo, may chance na hindi ganun kataas ang appraisal ni Pag-IBIG. There's a chance na yung outstanding balance mo sa bangko, hindi kaya makover ng na-approve na loan amount sa'yo ng Pag-IBIG. So you would have to pay the difference. So once you have your notice of approval, umpisa pa lang ng paghihirap mo in terms of processing your refinancing. So hindi lang physical na pagod, pati yung bulsa mo papagod. So get ready to pay and process the following. First, you need to go back to your bank to submit yung letter of guarantee ng Pag-IBIG na pautangin ka nila. Then, you need to sign the loan and mortgage agreement and promissory note back-to-back all pages. Then, kailangan mo silang inauthorize. So, dito, medyo gagastos ka kasi may notary public who would charge you actually 1% of the approved loan amount. So, if 2 million, 20K agad ang damage. So, meron naman mga notary public na mas mababa maningil. So, once notarized, you need to go to BIR to pay for the documentary stamp tax or doc stamp, DST, which is based naman sa loan amount mo. So, kung mas malaking loan amount mo, mas malaking babayaran mo. So, to give you an idea how to compute this, so 1 peso and 50 centavo or 150 for every 200 pesos. If ang approved loan amount mo is 2 million, divided by 200 pesos times 1 peso and 50 centavos. So, 15,000 ang babayaran mo for doc stamps. So, after mo itong bayaran, you have to go naman to Registry of Deeds for the annotation of mortgage. Then, request for a certified true copy ng title mo after the annotation. So, you also have to complete this within 30 days. Pero you can always request for an extension. So, once you're done with these things, going back and forth, then kailangan mo nang isubmit ito sa Pag-IBIG para makuha mo yung retention fee or refund. So, may refund silang ibibigay sa'yo once you're able to process all these documents. So, in other words, ikaw muna ang mag-aabono ng mga gastusin. Of course, hindi pa ito tapos. Kailangan mong bumalik ulit sa Registry of Deeds for the cancellation of mortgage. Then after nito, wait again for several days. If okay na lahat, marireceive mo yung refund mo, yung retention fee, at pwede mo rin itong i-apply sa loan mo para hindi ka na magbabayad sa first monthly amortization mo. But of course, you have to advise Pag-IBIG early on. And then the last one is you will receive a notice from Pag-IBIG, notice of installment or notice of amortization na naki-indicate to when ka magsa-start ng pagbayad ng monthly amortization. So, that's it. It may be a difficult process, but most na nakilala ko nag-refinance, they felt more secure with the ever-changing rates of home loans sa bangko. Mas secure sila sa Pag-IBIG kasi hindi to pwedeng tumaas ng sobra-sobra. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week. By the way, please follow me on TikTok. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!